Cluster headaches are one of the most painful types of headache. This headache is so painful that you are not able to follow your normal routine activities. The pain is often called the worst type of headache pain. A cluster headache commonly awakens you in the middle of the night with intense pain in or around one eye on one side of your head. Men are more likely to have cluster headaches. Cluster headaches come in cycles, also called cluster periods. Most people who get cluster headaches have one or two cluster periods each year. A cluster period might last 1 month or longer. After a cluster period ends, you may not get another headache for months or even years. As you get older, it's likely that you will have longer and longer times without headaches. At some point, you may not get cluster headaches ever again. Cluster headache causes. The exact cause of cluster headaches is not clear, but they have been linked to activity in part of the brain called hypothalamus. Cluster headache attacks can sometimes be triggered by drinking alcohol or by strong smells such as perfume, paint, or petrol. For this reason, many people with cluster headache avoid alcohol during a cluster period. Smokers tend to experience cluster headaches more often than non-smokers. You are at risk to have cluster headaches if it runs in your family. Cluster headache symptoms. The main symptom of cluster headache is a severe pain on one side of your head or behind your eye. Your eye may become red, watery, or puffy. The eyelid may droop, and you may have a runny or stuffy nose on that side of your head. The pain gets worse within 5 to 10 minutes after the headache starts and can last for 15 minutes or longer. Cluster headache usually happen at the same time of day each time you get them, but they can happen at any time. You may have 1 to 8 headaches a day. While continuing the prescribed medication, there are some natural ways and lifestyle changes you can do at home to get relief from the pain and reduce the frequency of headaches. Here are the 10 natural ways you can do at home to get relief from the pain and reduce the frequency of headaches. Number 1. Magnesium. People who suffer from cluster headaches typically have low magnesium levels. A small older study involving 22 people with cluster headaches showed that magnesium gave some relief to 41% of participants. Consider taking high magnesium foods in your diet like spinach, chard, pumpkin seeds, yogurt, almonds, black beans, avocado, and bananas. Number 2. Vitamin B2. Studies have shown that vitamin B2 can decrease the severity and frequency of cluster headaches. It's an important vitamin that also acts as an antioxidant in the body, which helps to maintaining healthy blood cells and boosting energy levels. A vitamin B2 deficiency can result in nerve damage and inflammation, two conditions that may increase the intensity of cluster headaches. Consider taking high vitamin B2 foods in your diet like milk, yogurt, tofu, salmon, mushrooms, spinach, almonds, sunflower seeds, avocados, and eggs. Number 3. Breathing exercises. One of the clinical treatments for cluster headache is the application of oxygen, which is known to reduce the severity of the pain. Deep breathing allows more oxygen into the brain, which helps to relieve the pain during headache. Are you enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share with your friends to help the channel. Number 4. Regular exercise. Regular exercise can reduce stress and improve blood circulation to the brain. It has been proven that regular exercise can help to relieve the cluster headache symptoms. Aim to get at least 30 minutes exercise daily. It's best to set a certain time slot in your day for your exercise routine so that you do not skip it. You can try some fun physical activities include dancing, yoga, aerobics, running and hiking. Number 5. Yoga. Yoga practice combines breathing techniques with stretching, which can help you get relief from the cluster headache. Typically, sufferers should aim for 5 sessions a week of about 60 minutes each. Number 6. Sleep schedule. Research suggests that maintaining a consistent sleep schedule may lead to fewer cluster headaches. It's important that people who experience cluster headaches stick to a regular sleep schedule. Cluster periods may actually begin when there are changes in your normal sleep routine. If you can't sleep, that could also trigger cluster headaches. So do everything you can to ensure a regular quality sleep schedule. Number 7. Use peppermint essential oil. Peppermint oil is known to relieve headaches, boost energy, release tight muscles, and improve mental focus. Before and during a cluster headache attack, apply 2 to 3 drops of peppermint oil topically to the temples, back of neck, and bottoms of the feet. Number 8. Drink ginger tea. A bioactive ingredient in ginger called gingerol has amazing healing benefits. It has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties which can help reduce the pain. Drink ginger tea 1 to 2 times daily to relieve the symptoms of cluster headaches. Number 9. Avoid tobacco. Smokers tend to have cluster headaches more often compared with non-smokers and make the pain even worse. Stop smoking if you suffer from cluster headaches, especially during a cluster period. Number 10. Avoid alcohol. Cluster headache attacks can be triggered by drinking alcohol. Consider limiting your alcohol intake to prevent this from occurring. Avoid alcohol completely during a cluster period. If you think that you have a cluster headache and haven't seen a doctor yet, talk to your doctor about your symptoms and treatment options. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more health tips and healthy recipes, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.